Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you need extreme air cleaning power for very large rooms and want something fast, smart, and beautifully simple, this air purifier is built exactly for that purpose. This is the BLUEAIR Blue Pure 211i Max Air Purifier, designed to clean up to 3,048 square feet in just 1 hour, making it one of the most powerful air purifiers available for large living spaces, open-floor homes, offices, and apartments. What makes this model unique is BLUEAIR's HEPASilent technology, which combines mechanical filtration with electrostatic charging. This allows it to remove 99.97% of airborne particles while using less energy and producing less noise than traditional HEPA-only systems. It effectively captures allergens, pet dander, dust, mold spores, smoke particles, and airborne viruses. For homes with pets or allergy sufferers, the performance difference is noticeable. The purifier pulls in large volumes of air quickly, reducing airborne triggers faster than standard air purifiers. Despite its high airflow, it remains remarkably quiet, even when running continuously. The smart functionality adds another layer of convenience. With app control and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can monitor air quality in real time, adjust fan speeds, create schedules, and control the purifier remotely from your phone. It also supports automatic mode, adapting performance based on pollution levels. The washable fabric pre-filter traps large particles like pet hair and dust while allowing you to customize the look of the purifier. This extends the life of the main filter and reduces maintenance costs. With its minimalist Scandinavian design, massive coverage, and high-speed purification, the Blue Pure 211i Max is built for people who want fast results, low noise, and smart automation in one reliable system. If you're serious about clean air in a large space, check the buy link below. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, and grab the Blue Pure 211i Max today if you want powerful, smart air purification for your home.